Hi everyone. We are going to see how you can create an empty branch in your GitHub repository. Empty branch in the sense we have a main branch and there is some codes files is there, and if you create type here anything, okay, if you type a branch, then from here you can create an empty branch, like branch you can create, but it will not be an empty because you will copy your code from the main branch, so you will not get the empty branch. You want an empty branch in your existing repository. So how you can do that? I hope you know how to create an repository in GitHub. If so, if you don't know, please comment, I will make a video on that. So I have two branch in my current repository. One is empty branch and one is main. So we are not going to create a branch from here. Okay. So we'll open the any terminal. Okay. So as of now, I have two branch. One is empty branch test and one is main. So for create an empty branch in a GitHub repository, we need to three commands only. So first one is GitHub switch orphan. Okay, and here you can give empty branch. Okay, just enter, switch to new branch, and that's empty branch. Okay, now the second command is git commit, and git commit allow empty, and it's initial commit and push. Okay, so type enter empty branch root commit, you'll get the commit id, initial commit, and push the message. Now the last one. Okay, and here the thing is instead of this one, you need to give your git push minus u origin. Okay, and then your branch name, empty branch. Okay, so the basic thing is here you need to give a branch name. Okay, and here also you need to give your branch name. So that's how you can create an empty branch. I will show you how you can do that. Git push minus u, just enter. Okay. So if you go back to your repository and refresh it, and you will see here we have three branch. One is main, empty branch, and empty branch test. So if you go to empty branch, okay, we'll have one file. Okay, now we go to empty branch, here nothing is there. Okay, so now we'll push one file here. Okay, and we'll see that's works or not. Okay, so let me clear my terminal. Okay, now I will create one file, touch file 1.txt. okay, if I give ls, we have one file. If we do a git status, we have one file to add. Okay, we'll add git add dot, you can give a file name as well, but I will go with a dot. Now git commit minus m, we'll give an initial commit only. Initial commit, this is our message. Now git push minus u origin, and then our branch name, that's an empty branch. We'll push to our particular branch, that's the empty branch. Okay, so if we refresh it here and we'll check our empty branch, we have one file. So file 1.txt, we got the file. Then you can push all the codes, remaining codes, and yeah, you can that's how you can create an empty branch in your existing repository in a GitHub. Do let me know if you face any issue. Please comment it, I will make a video or try to provide a solution on that. Okay, so before closing off, please subscribe and watch some awesome videos, interesting videos. Okay, not the trending topics, but for sure it will help you in your career. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.